Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink in PDF using DeftPDF. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser on your computer. Search for DeftPDF.com and visit its official site. Then, you will find the interface, as showing in the tutorial. Click on Start Editing. Then, you are redirected to another page. Then, you will find an option to upload the PDF file. Click on the drop-down icon. A menu will open. There you will find options like Dropbox, Google Drive, web address. Choose the option to upload the file from the regarding option. If you want to upload file directly from the computer, click on Upload PDF File option. Then, a window will pop up. Locate the file, and click on Open. Then, the file will be opened on a new tab. And, also toolbar will be seen on the top of the page. Click on Link option from the toolbar. Click and drag on the page where you want to add the hyperlink. You can adjust the size of the selection by dragging from its corner. A dialog box will appear once you select. There you will see a tab to enter external URL. Type or paste the URL that you want to add as a hyperlink. And, click anywhere on the document. After adding the hyperlinks, click on Apply Changes option, which is on the right bottom of the page. Then, the document gets ready to download. Click on the Download option, which is just under the title of the file. The file starts downloading automatically. You can also save the file to Dropbox, Google Drive, and to any other using the provided options. You are also allowed to rename the file by clicking on the option showing in the tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.